How does it feel to be like a fourth generation Helcoin?
Proud, I guess. Proud. Never really thought about it, but just proud to know that working for a great company. And yeah, followed in the footsteps of family.
Look, just you for.
Yeah, I just kind of, after I started working, I really learned about the history and stuff of our family being in the company. And it's really interesting. Uncle Moke, I guess, leading some of the new technologies at the time when he was like leading, I guess he was superintendent and stuff, yeah, of Hilo C&M. Uncle Harry was a superintendent as well, I think, and how he used to lead the crews and just hearing the journeyman talk about him and how his leadership was. Never really intended to be working here because of our family, but really proud after learning about, you know, the generations of.
A lot of changes, yeah?
To me, it's like the perfect job.